You guys remember that show where a school teacher had to become a meth kingpin in order to pay his medical bills? It was probably because of a conversation like this. Hey, how you doing? This is Will Caban. I'm giving a phone call because I have some medical debt that, yeah, no, I don't have an account number on it. Okay, well, I just wanted to, okay, so you have to read the disclosure? Okay, I'm familiar with the disclosure. I'm in the loan issue. Okay, you still have to say it. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, thank you for that. I was given a phone call because I wanted to do a pay for deletion. Sorry, are you a psychic? Because you didn't let me finish my sentence. So I'm actually in the process of getting a mortgage. You have to type that in there. All right. Yeah. So I want to make the payment, but I want you guys to delete it off my. Okay, you can't do that. I'm a loan officer. I know for a fact you could do that because I've done it with clients. So I know it could I know you could do it, but you're making it really difficult for me to try to do this. Now that's a hypothetical situation, but it happens every single day. 41% of Americans have some sort of medical debt. But I have some great news. Starting today, any medical collections that are paid will be reflected as deleted the following month. Now the other big change is that unpaid medical bills that are reporting from the first day of delinquency cannot be reported until they're past 365 days, which is past the 6-month period on the prior rule. The reason why this is important is because it will affect your credit score, most likely positively, and it also could mean that you don't have to make these unexpected or untimely payments at closing. Of course, if you guys have any questions about this or anything lending related, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you and have a great day.